What makes my program different than other programs is, first and foremost, I'm a trainer. I've been a personal trainer for more than 20 years and have owned my own fitness studio, still currently to this day, for more than 17 years. And I have put into this program everything that not only I have learned, but the do's and the do nots. The different things and perspectives to look at when you're crafting your packages, how you want to sell, how you want to deliver your message, what makes you unique. Not do it like me, do it like Joey, do it like OPT, but how can we get clarity around your value, your strengths, your unique gifts, what it is that people are going to gravitate and hire you as a professional, how to set that up, how to craft it, how to market it, and how to create that sustainable income, that sustainable living for your life from the lens of someone who is walking the path. And I think that is what is not only most impactful, what's most unique. I've done multiple business retreats and seminars, and it's never specifically for personal trainers and the different nuances and variables that go into being a trainer and the factors that affect how you show up for your clients: timing, scheduling, pricing, and how you communicate that with clarity and effectiveness so you don't lose your message, who you are, and why you started in the first place.